In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT Incognito mode. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT. This is the quickest way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, click the official ChatGPT website. Make sure you're on the correct domain, so you're using the real service and not a lookalike. Before we switch it on, here's what incognito mode is in ChatGPT. Depending on your interface, you might see it called temporary chat or private chat. It's a privacy-focused setting designed to limit how your conversation is stored and reused. Think of it like a focused workspace. Your chat won't appear in your history, and the session is treated more ephemerally. It's great for sensitive brainstorming, quick checks, or anything you don't want saved to your sidebar. Just remember, this is a ChatGPT feature, not the same as your browser's private window. Once you're on the ChatGPT page, look to the top right of the screen for the chat icon. Click that icon to enable the temporary or incognito chat. When it turns on, you'll usually see a clear indicator, like a banner, label, or icon, confirming that incognito is active. If you don't see the option, try refreshing the page or updating your app or browser. Layouts can vary slightly across devices. On mobile, the icon may be in the top or bottom toolbar, but it works the same way. With incognito on, your current conversation won't be saved to your history. That means it won't show up in the sidebar later, and it won't be linked to your ongoing chats. Keep in mind that this is a single session space. If you close the tab or switch away, you won't have a saved record to revisit. So, if you get a great answer, copy it to your notes before you move on. Now you can ask ChatGPT whatever you need without saving the chat in history. You can still paste text, ask for code, or request summaries. For privacy-sensitive work, avoid including personal details whenever possible. Only share what's necessary for the task. If you want to keep something, copy the response or download any files you generated, because the session won't be stored. When you're done, turning incognito off is simple. Click the same chat icon in the top right to return to your regular chat mode. Before you switch back, double-check that you've saved anything important from the temporary session. That's it. You've used ChatGPT's incognito mode for a cleaner, more private workflow.